Hello, everyone. Excited to see you and do some more of the signing, the first part. I'm on page 3, okay? You notice I'm doing this now because I have really good lighting because it's nice day today. Sorry about the lights behind my head. It looks like they're coming out of my head. Anyway, I'll try to move the camera down a little and hopefully you can see a little better. There, I'll get a little, oops. There, maybe a little bigger. We'll see. Oh no, you don't want to see my shoes. Sorry. Okay. I just thought that I would talk about one of my students recently, one of my former students recently got a hold of me and she told me that she used her sign language on the job recently. She is an EMT in Wisconsin. Okay, I don't know the company or whatever, the hospital that she works for. But anyway, they got a call, 911 call, and she answered it, or they answered it, whatever, her team. And she went on the ride in the ambulance. I'm not sure of the sign. Let's see, ambulance, I think. Just like it moves around, the lights. Okay, and they arrived and they saw that it was a deaf person that needed the help. So my former student was able to communicate with the person that needed help. That's a great example. You never know when you're going to use sign language on the job, right? So they talk about first responders on page 3. Maybe you can think of other examples that you've heard. Maybe when 9/11 happened. Remember when that happened? Some of you maybe were a lot younger than me, but I remember that incident, and they were talking about some of the deaf people using their text to help each other. So that's great. Now that text has come, you guys, it makes a world of difference for deaf people. It's wonderful. They don't have to find a hearing person to make the call for them. That happens a lot. They will used to go up to a hearing person. When I say hearing and we sign it like this, almost like speech or say, okay, it means that the person can talk. Okay, it's kind of funny. It doesn't really connect with hearing like you might think. This sign to hear, that means that you can hear something. Hear it. But this is hearing, the adjective to describe that person. So anyway, they used to, go up to a hearing person and ask them, please, to make that call for them. And now they can text each other and just make to inform whatever the situation is themselves. Okay? Like ordering pizza. You can do that online now, right? So we don't even need someone to make that call for them or to do it kind of in between. So that's really interesting. Okay, sorry, I'm just looking at the paper here in front of me. Talks about service providers. Okay, imagine if the social worker